Discover a new type of hydraulic training. Learn safely by experimenting with virtual hydraulic test rigs. We have over 25 hydraulic simulations, 75 lessons, 14 tutorials, 55 videos, and lots of study plans. So let's look at a typical course. We have lessons for beginners, purchasers, managers, maintenance, and design staff. First, pick a study plan to suit your needs. Then follow the program links. Tutorials deliver the key points in a user-friendly way. Interactive presentations and quick games reinforce the learning. Detailed explanations and videos are equivalent to classroom lectures. But the most effective learning comes from guided experience. Explore the fundamental principles. Understand how components operate. Beginners can watch demonstrations. Then learn by building and testing. Experts and improvers can experiment with virtual hydraulic test rigs. Add your component sizes and loads. Investigate how your system should perform. Each course includes experiments. The simulation software lets you measure and test how circuits perform. Students can operate the valves and change their parameters. Select other circuits or build your own circuits. All work can be recorded towards the EFI training certificate. And if you want to measure what you've learned, there are lots of quiz modules with challenging questions or the familiar multiple choice. The low cost and effectiveness of mobile training can make lifelong learning a reality for everyone, and bring significant benefits to most companies. Start by taking a free course at EFI training today.